Welcome back guys to my YouTube. Today we are going to discuss Cryogenic Hydrogen Technology Week 5 assignment. Question 4 first answer will be option B, that is 12081.61 kilojoule per kg. Question second answer will be option C. Question third answer will be option A. Question fourth answer will be option C, that is 0.0868. Question fifth answer will be option A, that is 1153.575 kilojoule per kg. Question sixth answer will be option C. Question 7 answer will be option B, that is 0.131. Question 8th answer will be option D, that is 20.61. Question 9th answer will be option D, that is 5109.60. Now 10th question answer will be option A, that is 0.079. Thank you guys.